Hello and hi, welcome back to Educate WordPress where we talk everything and all about WordPress. I'm Aisha and in this video I'm going to tell you how you can add a reCAPTCHA into your WordPress website. So this is my login page and you can see there is I'm not a robot option from the Google reCAPTCHA. So when you are having a reCAPTCHA into your in your login page or comment page, there won't be any spam or software malicious activities going on into your website that tries to get into your get access for to your website. So you can protect your website using this reCAPTCHA option. Like this is not a task for a human, but when a software is trying to get in, there might be some hassles. So sometimes there can also be a puzzle over here that appears. So that depends if the person is allowed, that you won't be able to get that. So let's log in and see how this is done. So in my dashboard, I'm going to go to plugin and add new. The plugin I'm going to add is called reCAPTCHA by Best Web Soft. So I'm going to search reCAPTCHA Best Web Soft. So this plugin is the most grossing plugin in the plugin directory. So you can see that already 200k of active installations are there, and it's updated few weeks ago. So I'm just going to install this. This they use the advanced risk analysis engine and adaptive challenges to keep the malicious software from engaging in abusive activities on your website. So this protects your website from all sort of spam entries, and the Google reCAPTCHA is very much important when you are having a WordPress website. So I've just installed. I'm going to go to settings, and here you can see that you need a site key and secret key. For that, what you have to do is you can just take this, and you have to get a API key. So you can just click on to the get the API key thing. You can, and you will be redirected to a website. So here if I already have a website in my entry, and if you don't have one, you can if you don't have, you will be taken into a page like this, register a new site. So what you have to do is you have to click on you have to add your website name. So I'm going back and I'm going to add the website name. So here I'm going to paste this. And there's two type of reCAPTCHA version 3 and reCAPTCHA version 2. For reCAPTCHA version 2, it verifies with a score, and then there is reCAPTCHA version 2 where I'm not a robot tick box will be there, and or you can choose a reCAPTCHA badge that request in the background, validates the request in the background. And then there is reCAPTCHA Android, which requires an Android app to access your website or your page. So we just need the I'm not a robot thing. You can also experiment with this as you go along. So once done, you can just click on to add domain here. So what I have to do is we have to again copy this and paste this. If you have multiple domains or multiple websites, you can also click it here. Then you can just accept the reCAPTCHA settings. Uh, you can view it also from here, and I'm going to submit this. Once submitted, you can see that there is copy site key and copy secret key option. You can just copy this and you can paste it over here. Copy this, and I've just pasted here. So that's it. So here that's done. Then we go back. Here you can see that there is two version 2 and version 3, as I told you. We're just going with the version 2. You can experiment with this. Then you can enable the CAPTCHA on your login form, registration form, and comment form. So basically, login form is where you log in, where the customer login or you log in, especially in the WP admin page. Then there is registration form when a new user comes to your website. If your website requires logging in, if you have a WooCommerce website to be specific. Then there is reset password form also, which is very important. Then there is comment form. You must have a contact form which enables the comment setting, and also these are the WordPress default. Then there is external plugin, which is the contact form, which the most used contact form. You can install it, and also testimonial one as well. You can enable that if you have the plugin. Then there is other plugin integration. For that you have to take a pro version, and you can just click on to whichever forms you have. You can just integrate it with just one click. So you can upgrade it to pro. Then you can also hide the reCAPTCHA for admin, editor, or all those people. When they are entering, you can hide the reCAPTCHA. Then here you also have a allow list notification, which means that person is being allowed into the website. So you can get that as like they won't be having the reCAPTCHA as we hide them. All right. So also there is advanced protection, which enables to submit button disable until the reCAPTCHA is loaded. All right. So you can use that. Also disable submit button until the user passes the reCAPTCHA test. You can disable the submit button. Right. So that's also there. So I'm just going to save that, and I'm going to save the changes. Here you can also see MISC, which is the pro version settings over here. Then there is custom code. You can also add custom CSS, PHP, JavaScript, everything. Before we get into more of this, I'm just going to log out and see how this is going to work. I'm going to log out. So here you can see that I'm not a robot option is here, and I'm going to click it. So I get the traffic light button. As you can just click it over here. Then you can, okay, that one is passed, and you can log in directly. So that's how this works. So you can just go back in the dashboard. You can see the reCAPTCHA option over here, and you go if you when you go to settings, you can see the license key. Here you can add the reCAPTCHA Pro license. You can get the Pro license by clicking over here. To integrate more of the plugins, you must need the Pro version. So in this website, you can buy the Pro version. We don't want that, but you can just add the Pro version license over here. Another thing that comes with this plugin is the reCAPTCHA shortcode. You can just copy this and paste it wherever you want. So we have already entered we have already ticked the button, whichever plugins integration we need. You can click that. Other than that, when you have a specific page or anything, you can just copy this reCAPTCHA code into wherever you want by just clicking onto the reCAPTCHA option. So that's it. That's all about today's video. Subscribe to our channel as we come up with videos on WooCommerce and WordPress every now and then to get your website performance up and top. We'll see you in another video. Bye.